Grocery ads are out, and boy, are you going to find some smoking deals because Thanksgiving is right around the corner. Now, keep in mind the ads start today and they go till Thanksgiving Day, which is November 22nd. Some things I'm going to show you how to make today. How about cooking some Italian chicken and potatoes in a crock pot? Super simple, super easy recipe. I'm deciding to show this to you because you know you can also cook a turkey in a crock pot. Just wanted to let you know that. Okay, here's what you're gonna need. Bash's, first of all, is gonna have some of these things on sale. They have boneless, skinless chicken breast on sale for $1.37 a pound. And you're also going to be able to get a 10-pound bag of russet potatoes for just 98 cents at Bash's when you use the digital coupon. So it'll be $1.98. The digital coupon will take $1 off, bring it down to just 98 cents, and you get one 10-pound bag for that price. So this is a super, super, super simple, easy recipe. So what you're gonna need is you're gonna need a pound to a pound and a half of cubed chicken, and you can use chicken thighs, you can use chicken legs, whatever you want. I use boneless chicken breast that's on sale. And then also you're gonna need 3 or 4 cubed russet potatoes, just chopped up like that. And then you're gonna need a half a cup of some Italian dressing. You just pour and I'll measure it. And also Bash's has wishbone dressing on sale too for $4. And then you're gonna need a teaspoon of Italian seasoning that you're gonna throw in there. And this is super simple. You're gonna throw this all in the crock pot. You're gonna walk away. You're gonna leave it alone 7 to 9 hours on low. And then also I'm gonna throw in some carrots just because I like to make it a little bit healthier. And then, oh, last but not least, I forgot to get the garlic. You gotta put the garlic. You can't go without the garlic. So throw this in here because I just like to make my food a little bit meatier when it comes to vegetables. And then we're gonna throw some garlic. I just need 4 cloves, which will basically be close to 1 tablespoon. We'll toss that in there. And that's it. Then you want to cook it on low and cook it for 7 to 9 hours. And your meal will turn out looking just like this when you get home from work. How's that? Well, you can check out the full recipe. Just go to my blog at smartshopperdaphne.com. And don't forget, I'm Daphne Monroe, your smart shopper.